Willie Sandry with a deep dive look on the Laguna DriftMaster 3 tall resaw fence. Let's check it out. The hallmark of this DriftMaster 3 is the rack and pinion system that lets you easily position the fence and then lock it down with a large silver lever. Or you can make course adjustments just by flipping this lever, pull out the red handle, and the whole fence will slide side to side. And just look at those thin, consistent veneers you can get off the bandsaw. There's just no better way to resaw than having this tall specialty resaw fence. And the XP14 or XP20 conveyor rollers with Laguna link sure make nice accessories for the bandsaw. This comes as an entire bandsaw fence system with mounting brackets, rack and pinion adjustment, and a number of special features. Just like Laguna's factory fence, this is a high-low design, so you can just slide it out, reposition that for the low setting, which is great for notching or general purpose work. Just tighten the two knobs and you're back in business. And that lets you easily lower the guide assembly when you're not doing resaw work. And whether you're in the high or low fence mode, there's a little nylon fitting just here that lets it glide effortlessly across the cast iron table. There's some incredible adjustments on this. Just loosen these large black levers, and this is actually a micro adjust to control the toe in or toe out of the fence. And you can see just how responsive that adjustment is. I usually start by setting mine dead square and then make any adjustments for drift as needed. But it's sure nice to know you have those adjustments available, and that's a big improvement over other systems. And that rail system is over 31 inches long, which makes this perfect for a number of saws: 14, 18, 20, even some 24-inch bandsaws. I'm using the DriftMaster 3 on the 1412, which is one of Laguna's 14-inch saws. And it's a perfect fit for this one and really lets you maximize the function of your saw. With a nearly universal design, this will fit not only Laguna bandsaws, but many other brands as well. You'll notice right away that the fence is much taller and longer than the factory fences on other saws. And just the aluminum fence alone on the DriftMaster 3 cracks the scales at 7 pounds. Add in the other heavy-duty components and rack and pinion adjustments, and this is one robust system. And you just might want to check out Laguna's new flip stop accessory for their bandsaws. It's compatible with the DriftMaster 3 fence system, as well as their 18CX or 18BX bandsaws, and it's just great for notching work. So there's really no better way to get those wafer-thin veneers and maximize your precious hardwood collection than with the DriftMaster 3 tall resaw fence.